Everyone, so right now I am just close to the Sri Bhumi Durga temple and Pandal, which is so popular nowadays here, and one of the temples so I am so close, which is similar to this in the name of the Tirupati Balaji Sri Venkateswara Swami temple, which is located in Andhra Pradesh. So let's stay update me and explore to get me, and let's see the view. So once again, thank you so much.
So this is the clock tower which is situated on the VIP road just before the Sri Bhumi supporting club Durga Pandal. So let's see, it is also looking so amazing, so unique this time also. And so shining, you can see how it is shining right now during the midnight, and even the time is right now 9:30 p.m. It's not a midnight, but I think there is a lot of crowd here, so I will take time to reach the Sri Bhumi supporting club of Durga Pandal. I will take 2 to 3 hours journey. So let's see the crowds. It's much more, many more visitors and tourists who came to visit the Sri Bhumi Durga Pandal. So बोलो श्री अम्बे नाम मात की जय, जय श्री दुर्गे माँ, जय माँ काली. So even this is the corridor, this is the main entrance of the Sri Bhumi, which is also built in the same of Tirupati Balaji. Corridor entrance like this, you can see the Tirupati Balaji idol is also showing here on the screen. So just I enter, I came here on the entrance gate and I am going inside. So let's report with me from the inside all over the Tirupati Balaji theme, because in this year Sri Bhumi supporting club made this unique club as a Tirupati Balaji theme. So let's see the view of Tirupati Balaji theme in Sri Bhumi supporting Durga Puja club Pandal. So I am going slowly, and before that I also visit lots of Durga Pandal also just located behind the Sri Bhumi supporting club and nearest to this place. And I came from the local ordinary train also, which is located here.
Pandal, which is built in the similar and the taken the name of Tirupati Balaji Sri Venkateswara Swami temple, which is popular in Tirupati. So let's see the view of Sri Bhumi and let's go to bed. So Ambi Mat ki jai, jai Durga Maa, jai Maa Kali, jai Maa Ambe. Thank you so much. So let's see the view of this pandal. Really, it's very so popular, and many more teachers are going together with me, and we can see the view how much publics are going and visitors who came to visit this temple and pandal, which is in here. So let's see and follow Ambe Mat ki jai. Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Maa Kali.
Sri Bhumi supporting club located nearby the Dum railway junction, which is also close to the Dum International Airport. So and also there is a lot of railways just like Bidhar Nagar is also, Bidhar Nagar railway station is also close from here. And this pandal Sri Bhumi supporting club Durga Pandal located on the VIP road. So it is also one of the main road here, which is so visible and so close from here just beside this. So I am going slowly, and lots of persons and visitors I have seen that they are going slowly, and I am taking lots of time. Still I covered and I took the time of 1 hour completed here, but still I am here only. So I am going slowly only. So even the Sri Bhumi supporting club has previously worked and on religious themes such as the Puri Jagannath temple and the St. Paul's Basilica of Italy also. So they have collaborated on the completely odd topics such as the Dubai Burj Khalifa also they made previous year. So then name of the Sri Bhumi supporting club is Tirupati Balaji temple, standing tall at 100 feet with stunning white and golden accents. So let's see the view. So still I am here, still I think how much time I will take, let's see about that. So slowly I am going, and even I am also feeling so thirsty, and you can see lots of person and visitors are running because there is a lots of barrier between the Sri Bhumi supporting club. So still I have to wait here. Let's see, I came here and I am waiting, and lots of when the policemen are leaving the rope, then lots of partners started to run and go fastly. I think lots of means all over the person are so excited to see the Sri Bhumi Durga Pandal, which is made in the same like a Tirupati Balaji theme. So they are so excited for that. And before that, I also visit Chetla Club also, which is also so popular. So this is the idol of the Swami Vivekanand on the chariot. Let's see the view of the Swami Vivekanand idol on the chariot just before the Sri Bhumi Supporting Club Pandal. So बोलो श्री अम्बे मात की जय, जय श्री दुर्गे माँ, जय माँ काली. So even I am also so excited, and you can see the decoration all over around the sound regarding the buildings and a statue of the Swami Vivekanand, chariot with 2 horses and the gateway entrance. And so definitely it is a very good they decorated very well, and even our Indian national flag tricolor also unfurling here. So let's see the view of the all over the things which is available here, and everywhere there is a big screen available everywhere around the way. And also they decorated very well the all over the apartment and buildings in Sri Bhumi Supporting Club. So even I am also so curious to go and see the Sri Bhumi Supporting Club Durga Pandal, which is made in the same style of the Tirupati Balaji idol, which is located in Andhra Pradesh in Tirupati district.
So I'm going slowly, please support me, and I'm going really I'm also feeling so thirsty, so I took a 1 bottle of water, let's see, and because I'm feeling thirsty here, so I took this and I drank 1 bottle of water, then I feel good. And now again I'm going to Sri Bhumi Pandal, which is made in the name of Tirupati Balaji. So let's wait me, just I close from here. Mostly updating me. And I will see how much is the crowd here. Once again, thank you. Jai Tirupati Balaji, Jai Sri Bhumi.
So finally I reached right now. So let's see the Sri Bhumi Supporting Club Pandal, which is just made similar to the Tirupati Balaji Sri Venkateswarya Swami temple, which is located in Andhra Pradesh. You can see the view of this pandal. So really it's a very amazing and unique pandal in this year they made. Like this pandal is the Sri Bhumi Supporting Club, a stunning tall of 800 feet with the stunning white and golden accent we can see. So really it's a very unique, and also I'm also feeling so amazing here. And after coming this pandal, really there is a very good vibes inside this temple, and you can see lots of persons and visitors are shooting with their cameras and along with the cameras and mobiles. And just on the wall of the temple interior they also made the idol of Tirupati Balaji also. So let's in 2024, so this is the Sri Bhumi Supporting Club 2024 time, and I am also a very lucky person that today I got a chance to visit this pandal in 2024. Oh my God! So Jai Sri Durga Ma, Jai Mahakali, because even it is a land of the Mahakali and Swami Vivekananda, Ramkrishna Paramhans and Ma Sarda Devi, who all are so religious from Kolkata, West Bengal. So let's see, this is the main idol of the goddess Durga, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati, Lord Ganesha and the Kartikeya. So look at this decoration of this pandal from inside Sri Bhumi Supporting Club. The stunning with gold and white marble like accents.
Durga Mata Kali in the Tirupati Balaji Themo Pandal in Sri Bhumi. So Sri Ambe Mati Jai, and I just came right now out. So let's celebrate with me, and again I am going to make another Survastri Ajay. Thank you so much.
So this is the view from the outside. I am going slowly out, and I completed my all over the pandal visiting. So I also feel very good inside the Sri Bhumi Supporting Club Pandal, and this is also one of the idol of the goddess Durga with Mahalakshmi, Mahakali and Lord Ganesha and Kartikeya also on the just before this pandal only, on the way only. So it also is a very unique. It is inside the pandal only, but just at the Sri Bhumi only, just before that. So let's see. Bolo Sri Ambe Mat ki Jai. Om Tadamkam Yajamaya Sugandhim Pustivarnam Pudarma Santita Mrityu Murtiyam Amrikam. So the decoration of this, just before that we can see the decoration of all over the places. Really it's a very unique. They decorated very well around all over the building with lamps and lights. So really it's a very beautiful place, Sribhumi Supporting Club, and even this is located in the Lake City, Lake Town. Sribhumi Supporting Club situated and located on the Lake Town in Kolkata city. So once again thank you so much. Jai Shri Durge Ma, Jai Ma Kali.